Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Sangeeta Mehta and you're watching my channel, My English Magazine. Today I explain to you present continuous, present simple tense. I am a teacher. Past simple. He said he was a teacher. Present continuous. I am having lunch with my parents. He said he was having lunch with his parents. Present perfect simple. Past perfect simple. I have been to France 3 times. He said he has been to France 3 times. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. I have been working very hard. He said he had been working very hard. So, in this way, we change direct speech into indirect speech. Now, when the tense is past simple, then indirect speech change, direct speech change into past perfect. I bought a new car. He said he had bought a new car. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. It was raining earlier. He said it had been raining earlier. Past perfect. The play had started when arrived. Past perfect. She said the play had started when she arrived. Past perfect continuous. I had already been living in London for 5 years. Past perfect continuous. She said Jack told me. She said Jack told me she had already been living in London for 5 years. Future tense shall, will, future in the past, should, would. Elle said, I will buy the book tomorrow. Elle said that she would buy the book tomorrow. Other verb forms also sometimes changes will, would. I will come and see you soon. Inverted comma begins. I will come and see you soon. Inverted comma close. Would. He said he would come and see me soon. Can, could. Inverted comma begins. I can swim underwater for 2 minutes. Inverted comma close. He said he could swim underwater for 2 minutes. Must. All inverted comma begins. All tickets must be bought in advance. He said that all tickets had to be bought in advance. Shall, should. What shall we do about it? He asked what we should do about it. May, might. May I smoke? He asked if he might smoke. Ought to. No change. Inverted comma begins. You ought to come at 7 a.m. He told me ought to come at 7 a.m. Should change in should, no change. inverted comma begins. I should have helped you. He said he should have helped me. Would no change. Inverted comma begins. I would walk the dog at night. Inverted comma close. No change. She said she would walk the dog at night. Could no change. You could do it. He told me could do it. Could no change. You could do it. He told me I couldn't do it. Might no change. I might arrive late. He said he might arrive late. Direct and indirect speech examples for tense. Simple present to simple past. Direct. He said the boy goes home. Indirect. He said that the boy were home. Present continuous to past continuous. Direct. Ram said I am reading a book. Indirect. Ram said that he was reading a book. Present perfect to past perfect. Direct. The girl said, inverted comma, begins, I have lost my pen. The girl said that she had lost her pen. Present perfect continues to past perfect continues. Direct. He said, Ram has been going. Indirect. He said that Ram had been going. Past indefinite to past perfect. Direct. Mother said, I bought a watch for you. Indirect. Mother said that she had bought a watch for you. Past continues to past perfect continues. Direct. Raju said, I was reporting repairing a car. Indirect. Raju said that he had been repairing a car. Future tense shall will to future in the past should would. Direct. The teacher said, I shall give you notes. Indirect. The teacher said that he would give them notes. Conditional to perfect conditional direct. Direct. He said, if this is a condition, if I had the money, could buy the car. Indirect. She said that if he had the money, he could have bought the car. Here, direct speech. He said. Indirect. She said. If here that if direct and indirect speech, there are some changes in this indirect speech. Direct. He said, if I had the money, could buy the car. Indirect speech. She said that if he had the money, he could have bought the car. Buy change into bought. Here, future tense. Shall will to future in the past should would. Direct. The teacher said I shall give you notes. Indirect. The teacher said that he would give them notes. Conditional to perfect conditional direct. Direct, he said, if I had the money, I could buy the car. Indirect, she said that if he had the money, he could have bought the car. Now, Change of interrogative sentences. The reporting verb said to is changed is asked. In asked, demanded, ordering, inquired, or as a per the nature of the sentence. Change of interrogative. The reporting verb said to is changed in asked, demanded, ordered, inquired as per the nature of the sentence. Example: Tony said, "What is Luna doing?" Tony asked me what Luna was doing. While a sentence starts with reporting verb, then at the conversion time, if whether is used as the joining clause. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my channel, My English Magazine. This is the name of my channel and also the name of my magazine. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.